Today I'm going to show you how to use MidJourney step by step in 2026 because honestly, a lot of beginners hear about MidJourney, see incredible AI-generated images online, and immediately want to try it. But when they open the platform for the first time, many people get confused very quickly. And honestly, that makes sense because MidJourney has changed a lot over the years. So in this video, I'm going to explain what MidJourney I chose to create an account, how to generate images, and the most important things beginners should know in 2026 first. What is MidJourney? MidJourney is an AI image generation platform. Basically, you type a text prompt describing what you want, and the AI creates images from that description. People use it for thumbnails content, creation, social media logos, wallpapers, concept art, branding, and even professional creative projects. Now the first step, creating your account. To start using MidJourney, go to the official website, MidJourney official website. From there, you can sign up using your email, Google account, or other available login options. And honestly, this makes the platform much easier for beginners compared to the old Discord-only system. Now, something important. MidJourney still supports Discord integration, and many advanced users still use it through Discord. But today, a lot of people simply use the website directly from their browser without needing Discord at all. Now, once you enter the platform, you'll see the main dashboard where you can explore images, manage projects, and start generating your own creations. And honestly, the interface is much cleaner now compared to older versions. Now, let's talk about the most important part. Creating your first image. Inside the prompt box, simply describe the image you want to generate for example, a futuristic city at night, cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic, high detail. Then send the prompt, and the AI will start generating images automatically, usually after a short wait. MidJourney gives you multiple image variations. Now, here's something extremely important. Prompt quality matters a lot. The more specific and detailed your description is, the better your results usually become. So instead of writing something simple like dog, try something more detailed, like golden retriever sitting inside, a modern coffee shop, cinematic lighting, realistic photography, high detail. And honestly, small prompt improvements can completely change image quality. Now let's talk about variations and upscaling, because this is one of the most useful parts of MidJourney. After generating images, you can create variations of a specific result or upscale images to higher quality and resolution. This becomes very useful for thumbnails, wallpapers, social media posts, and professional content creation. Now, another important feature: styles. MidJourney supports many different visual styles: realistic, anime, fantasy, cyberpunk 3D painting, cinematic, minimalist, and much more. The final result depends heavily on the words you include in your prompt. Now, let's talk about aspect ratios, because this is extremely important for creators. You can generate vertical images, square images, or widescreen content depending on where you want to post it. For example, YouTube, thumbnails, TikTok, posts, phone, wallpapers, or desktop backgrounds. Now, another thing beginners should know: learning prompts takes practice. And honestly, most people do not create perfect images immediately. The best way to improve is simply by experimenting with different words, styles, lighting angles, and image descriptions over time. Now, something important. MidJourney is mostly subscription-based now, so while you can create an account and explore the platform, full image generation usually requires a paid plan. And honestly, this is one of the biggest differences compared to older versions of MidJourney. Now let's be honest for a second. One of the reasons MidJourney became so popular is because the image quality can look incredibly realistic and cinematic, especially in 2026, where AI-generated content is becoming a massive part of social media and online creation. So, to wrap this up, if you want to start using MidJourney in 2026, go to the official website, create your account using email or Google. Start experimenting with prompts, learn different styles, and slowly improve your prompt writing skills. Because honestly, once you understand how MidJourney works, you realize how powerful AI image generation has become.